Vince Salvatore, Peace Dojo, Aikido of Reno. The staff of reconciliation. So just in ancient times, in ancient stories, Friar Tuck, maybe they had a staff. They could have picked it up from the ground. Anybody could pick up a stick, a branch, and use it as a weapon of protection. In the classes that we teach here, the staff is not just jabbing, hitting, or used for counter-violence, but you're really using it with leverage. And just think about a situation where you wanted to stop violence or talk to people in a nice way. You'd want to use love as leverage. So when we're moving around, you might see us in Aikido, for example, there's a practice where someone will come to grab and take the weapon away, and you use leverage to redirect them, put them somewhere else. And I would just call that like leverage of love, and it applies to life and situations. So thank you for watching the video. Please like us and share us with friends that might appreciate it. Thank you.